my name is Robert PRODAN. We're doing landscape. We have dirt here, we have plants here, we have my book here so I can see what we're going to build today, and we have stuff here. Before we get started, I want to tell you there's some bad things you cannot do without doing landscape. They'll put dirt in your hand, they'll put dirt in your eyeball. So, before we get started the landscape, we're going to grab a piece of dirt. I'm going to add some dirt. I'm going to grab a piece of dirt here. If your plate is not full up, if you don't have enough dirt, you can just fill up like how much I am. But if it's a fly. There are flies here, Mommy.
Okay, I will take it away.
You can just put dirt in.
Where is it?
Right there. Then I'm going to add some dirt here. Let me take the fly away, and now let me see what else I'm going to do. Oh no, I need to arrange it. Oh look, very good now. Oh my goodness. Time for last spoon. And then the last spoon is this one. Oh my. Okay, we have some dirt in the plate right now, and right now I'm gonna add plants. I'm gonna add plants like this much. Oh my, I need smaller plants like this flower. Let's look at the flower. And I'm gonna let it have some dirt in it. Let the landscape look like this. Oh, I need some dirt.
Take all of it. Take all of this one. All of it.
And then we have some plants there. Just let me cover up this plant.
Do you want to use this one too?
Oh yeah. Oh my, there are a lot of, Mommy's giving me a lot of plants. That looks like enough plants, Mommy.
Okay.
So then now we're gonna add our toys. So the first thing, my first toy is gonna be the T-Rex. Now we're gonna add this one dinosaur. Then I'm gonna add this dinosaur. He look like stuck in the mud. Like this looks like that. And we got some trains here. I'm gonna keep one train there and one train here. We're done with our landscape. Now it's your turn to make your own landscape. Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's your turn to make your own landscape. Check my channel for new videos, guys. Bye-bye. Oh my, what a muddy pile. Come on. Is it really? Do you really get stuck in your head down there? Now I can't. Come on! Percy, no! Why, Percy? Come on, dinosaur, get out! What? Why are you letting this get out of the mud? Where's Percy? Oh my, you get at me at time. Me too, I'm making a bridge. I'm making a bridge too. Percy, don't get that.